Here she is. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it for you guys right now, and then we'll fast forward to taking it to the shop and throwing it on the GT3. Pretty small box, to be honest with you. I was expecting it to be quite a bit bigger. So yeah, let's get this thing out of the box and see what it looks like. This is a 911R under tray diffuser. It's got fins that supposedly actually do something. So we'll see how the car benefits from it. They don't look very big, but another key importance is there's no cutout. Like this area right here, there's usually a cutout for the PDK transcooler. Manti Racing has found out that, and Porsche as well has found out that you don't need that to actually be cut out to cool the trans. It gets enough cooling already. So yeah, this is also on the 991.2 Weissach GT3 RS as well. Jason has this exact one. It used to have a cutout for the GT3 RS, but the Weissach and maybe the .2 RS as well doesn't have the cutout anymore. But yeah, got the side indentations for the headers. And yeah, it just bolts straight up. No modifications needed at all. So let's head to the shop and get this baby put on the car. Here we are, RSR. I got my wing that I'm putting on. Borrowed this from Will from WRT. Front canards. And then the square box is the under tray diffuser. So yeah, I already got my grommets pulled. It's a T40 under here, 2 on each side. What? And it just comes right out. So let's get to it. All right, I ran into a roadblock with the wing. Forgot to take the hardware with me. I picked it up from Will's shop and forgot the hardware on this, so I'll go get that tomorrow. But right now, I'm gonna put it in the under tray. Just gotta remove all these. I think they're T25s if I can remember correctly. Should be about 10 or 12 of them. Let's get started. 3-minute install.
You can see it. That's YouTube 3-minute.
There it is. Ow. So,
did it come with hardware?
no, you just use the old hardware. Clears the headers just fine. Just a straight bolt on. Easy as hell. Anthony's got the template on the car now, going with the dual dive planes on each side. The wing's finally on. Still doing some bolts, adjusting some bolts on it to make sure it all works. But god damn, this thing is massive. I had no idea. The thing's like with the edge of the mirror right there. Look at that. That's wild. Front canards are on. Shit. Herbie is looking fucking dope. Let's see. Oh yeah, I hope Herbie's ready. Herbie is ready. Let's go. Okay, you guys, so here's the finished product. Front canards installed, the wing installed. I just took some pictures, so how to get the little wheel angle going on, of course. And then the under tray. The most subtle mod possible. Hopefully we get some type of effect from that. You can kind of see it from here too. No, not on camera, but in person you can see it. Wing, massive fucking wing. So I'm excited. I'm really excited to go out and see how this feels. And look at, there's the placement of these canards. Yeah, so here is my prep all done. I'm gonna do an oil change. Not gonna do a video on that. I've done videos in the past on how to change the oil on this car. So yeah, that'll be it. And I'll head out to COTA on Wednesday, get there on Thursday afternoon, and get ready for practice on Friday. Got a couple decals I gotta add. I gotta add a WRT sticker onto the wing. Will didn't ask for that, but definitely wanna pay some appreciation for that, for letting me borrow the wing. I mean, that's clutch as fuck to just lend a homie like that the wing. So thank you, Will. Dundon and RSR hooking it up with the canards for me, the front dive planes. The under tray I bought from Suncoast Parts for, I think out the door was like $635 or so. That is the 911R diffuser. Let's see. You can kind of see the fins on camera. It's kind of hard to pick it up, but it's there. And yeah, that is it. So yeah, bought some front tires and a full set of tires. So I'm gonna have a total of 6 tires to run at COTA. Actually 10 tires. So I got a pair of scrubs that I'm gonna use on Friday, and then swap the fronts on Saturday, and then brand new set on Sunday. The game plan is to just get as much track knowledge in on the first 2 days, and then on Sunday come out swinging with some fresh sticker R compounds and set down some flyers. Yeah, can't get over how good it looks. Looks so good. I used to not be a fan of that APR wing at all, to be honest with you, but it's definitely grown on me over time. The goal eventually is to get a cup car wing, do the cup car kit on the car once I get that rear bumper. And yeah, that is it. So if you guys enjoyed the track prep video, the Aero install, I know it wasn't really a installation video, but it definitely was done. Yeah, please drop a like, leave a comment if you guys have any questions, and if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Drop a lot of track content, and I'm excited to go vlogging for you guys. I will be live streaming my session, one of my sessions at COTA. So if you guys are interested in watching that, I'll definitely be posting when I'll be doing that this weekend. So yeah, that'll do it. Later.
Our dream and our vision one day is to fill this facility up, even with 10% of that number. And I think we're on the right path. I think time attack, I think drifting, grid life, like these type of racing is the way to go, because it relates to the everyday you and me.
I just
that
heard
drive
that.
our cars on the street. So, you guys, if you guys have never been here for Super.